What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be another hair video. I wanna try to do my hair in this side part, like a deep side part with a very low bun. So I normally rock my hair like this, in this ponytail, low bun, you know, like very nice and sleek. But in today's video, I want to try something different. I want to try a side part, very low side swoop, and a low bun, and just see how that looks. Okay, if you want to see how I get my hair from this to the side swoop, keep on watching. So these are the products that I will be using to get my hair from this to the side swoop that we're gonna be doing. My water bottle is just water in there. Water. A brush. A comb. And of course, ta-da! Gel. Here we go. So in order for me to part, I'm going to need to spray, okay?
Okay, you guys, as you can see here, I am spraying my hair with water. Just water. Glow seulement. Mettez de l'eau et un petit gel après. C'est ça avec le style là. So, I'm using water. Konya, moi pral tracer pour capable faire l'argent que me. As you can see, I'm trying to decide which part that I want. I need to make sure that the part is even, because what's a side swoop without an even part? So what I'm doing here is basically I am putting this portion aside so that I can do the side swoop. I know that you'll be able to see what I'm gonna do with this, but I just wanted to explain it just a tad bit. This part that I am cutting now, I'm going to put that aside and work on my ponytail to the back. As you can see, yep, I'm going to put that aside. That is what I'm going to use to do the side swoop. Just put it away to the side, and now water. So this is very similar to like a wash and go, because this is water and gel. You want to make sure that your hair is wet and that it has gel. That's the only way that it's going to lay flat, because our my type 4 natural hair, it'll stay up if I don't put water in it and brush it down. As I'm putting water and gel, I'm brushing it down.
With this style, you definitely cannot be cheap with the gel, okay? Now, if you're one of those people who are concerned about how much gel you put in your hair, then this style is probably not for you, because you're going to need gel in this style to make sure that your hair lays flat, okay? Especially if you have natural hair, like type 4 hair like me.
Adding some more gel in the back to get it to lay flat. Adding extra gel, using our hands to to get it to lay flat, and then using the brush. We're gonna do this first ponytail, and after that we're just going to do the other. You'll see what I'm doing. You'll see what I'm doing. Checking it out. I'm checking it out. So now I'm going to be working on this. So you see, that's the part that we left from the beginning. Now with this part, we're just going to part it in half and then start working on it. You know, start spraying it and then laying it over there. We want to make sure that it's not too bulky. That's why we're doing it this way. If we just lay the entire part over and do the swoop with it, one side of my hair would be like all bulky and lumpy. You got to make sure that it's nice and flat and it's sleek. And in order to get the sleekness and the flatness of the style, you got to add water and add gel and, you know, like part it in half and do that what I'm doing right now. Put gel in the between. Like I said, if you're one of those people who don't like to use gel, you know, this style might not be the right one for you, because in order for this style to be as sleek as we want it to be, we gotta use gel. You see that? Adding water, lots and lots of water. And then we're adding our little gel. Detangle the hair, so make sure that it's not lumpy. That's what's going to help it lay flat, and, you know, add to making sure that our side swoop is very, very flat. It's not lumpy, and it's just good. Just watch what I'm doing. You're going to get it. Just regarder ça m'a fait, et puis wap ka comprendre ki jan pou fèl. Well, comme ça. Oui, ou ajouter un petit gel encore. Brush and brush and brush, okay? The brush in your hands are your best friend. You know, the brush, the gel in your hand for this style, because that's what's gonna help lay it flat. You wanna do this a little bit tight so that it can stay in place, so that it doesn't puff up a little bit right after. Final touch-up time. See? Final touch-up. Gotta add a little bit more gel to the front because we want to make sure that it doesn't crinkle back up, fluff back up. Doing the baby hairs. Not being too extra with the baby hair, not doing too much. Okay, you see, this is how it's looking. I'm feeling myself. Now, you can either leave it like this, but me, I like to tie my hair overnight so that I can get the best result. That's what I'm doing right here. Just tying my hair, not too tight, okay? But bottom line is tie it and make sure that it's laying flat, and yep,